Hi, I'm NGC, and I'm here to show you how bad I am on Ultimate Clips tonight. Do you see how many characters are on here? Do you see how many characters are there? There's 5. What is 5 times 10? 50. There are 50 characters in this game. And I'm trying to be the most greatest king. Okay, sorry about that. Hello, my name is NGC and welcome to the Ultimate Cups. Welcome back to Ultimate. Fuck! I am just having a horrible brain right now. My brain ain't thinking clearly at all. I'm very sorry. Hello, everybody. My name is Ninja EC and welcome back to Ultimate Custom Night. There I go. There I said it. So on the last video, we actually got 800. We have score of 800, and I clearly forgot what characters I just picked. So I'm gonna have to think right now. I'm actually going to do some more characters. So we need Balloon Boy. Set him up on a 20. So Balloon Boy, he will try to sneak in through the side vent, close the side vent, and wait until you hear a thud indicating he is gone. If BB slips in, he will temporarily disable your frat. Fuck you, Balloon Boy, you son of an ass. What about JJ? Oh, so you might be the same as Balloon Boy. Fuck both of y'all, sister and brother, asshole. What about with a Chica? Well, I mean, with Chica doesn't come in the thing. With a Bonnie, he will appear in your office, poised to attack, throw on your Freddy mask, and to make him leave. So we could probably add him. Let's set him up on a 5. We don't need you, puppet. We can give Phantom Freddy on there. I know what he does. I had to shine a flashlight on him, so that's what I need to do. Fredbear, we can do him. 5. Mouse cursor? I don't even have a mouse. I'm on a phone. Asshole. Man, that's why you look like cookies and cream. Schmuck. Nightmare BB. Well, it's gonna be the same thing as Scrap Baby, because gotta have to. Well, not as same as Scrap Baby. For Nightmare BB. Nightmare Turd. Nightmare Schmuck. Nightmare Midget. I think I might have to flash the light at him. But Scrap Baby, I have to control shock her. I could probably add Ultimate Consequences here. On a 20. We could probably do him on a 10. Just in case, probably. Trash in the game, we can add him on a 20. Trash. Helpy, we can add him on a 20. Phone guy can add him on 20. Woo! Oh my god. No. Stop it. We could probably add him Rockstar Foxy. I don't really want to disturb the bird. The birdie bird. Eef. I guess that's enough. I guess. I'm gonna take you off. I don't feel like putting on a mask quickly as I can. We can add you on to 20. Nah. Trying to be precise here, guys. Trying to be completely precise. Woo! Okay, we got this in the bag, guys. I know. I got this right in the bag. Hey, Golden Freddy's on here. Hey, Golden Freddy, how's it going? Schmuck. Didn't know he was here at first. Ouch, I just popped my knuckle. Up, 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 up. Bye, bitch. Yeet. I clearly forgot who was the character. I just... Fuck yeah. Fuck off. Asshole. Yeet. Are you coming back? Huh? Fuck off. Hello, how's it going? Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Turn off the flashlight. Shh. You want to tell me a story? You already told us a story. That the video I deleted. Fuck off! No one needs your Phantom Freddy with your missing leg. It's too bad I can't make a mistake for old man consequences. Fuck off. Oh shit. There we go. Ah, much better. Fuck off. Is Rockstar Foxy's bird gonna come? Did I delete him? I don't know. If I did, I'll be pissed. Come on! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, come on! Oh, fuck me in the ass. Fuck off. Fuck off. God! God, this is giving me a headache. I'm taking two. Maybe me being precise is making me do some wrong shit right now. Shut up, Candy Cadet. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. No. What? I flashed at the fan. Am I just a big idiot or am I not? I might be an idiot. My mom's just like an idiot. Turn off the damn flashlight. Woo! We got this right in the bag, guys. Second win, here we go. Next gonna be my fourth. Wait, no, third. What did I say? I already did my first, and I'm about to do the second. The Phantom Freddy's not gonna be a bitch. Nope, nope. Fuck off! I literally did not mean to go through you, Phantom Freddy. Hey, the birdie! Bye, birdie. How's it going? Asshole. Phantom Freddy, go away. No one doesn't need ya. God, this is giving me a headache from that 8-bit dun 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 a dun 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 a dun 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 a dun 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 dun. Ventilation! Help me go away. Phantom Freddy, go away. All my consequences, go away. Jeez, all of y'all, go away. Go away. Ah! Shut up, phone guy. Ah! Oh, you're being a bitch, aren't you, Phantom Freddy? 6 a.m. Give me a hug. Go away. No one needs you. No one wants you. No one doesn't even want to hug you. At all. Help me go away. Thank you very much. Nope. Phone guy, go away. Come on, 6 a.m. We got this in the bag. There we go. Candy Cadet, go away. No one needs you or no one wants you. I keep on thinking that the ventilation is off because Woo! And the power went out. Asshole. Yeah, baby, give me a hug. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go, baby. Frigid. What does that do? I can't read it. It's so small. Can't read it at all. Yes, I got all that. Who else can I add to the pack? Add pack. I don't... Can I say this loud and clear? I'm not playing on the PC. Read this. Nightmarion. Don't let your mouse cursor linger over Nightmarion for too long. I don't have a mouse! I don't have a mouse, Nightmarion! Stop being such a shitbag! I mean, I could probably add him. Fuck off. Let's add him on a 10. You know what? Let's add him on a 20. In case if he jump scares me. I got this in the bag, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let me say this. If I add Phantom Freddy with Balloon Boy, he will come in and he will take away my flashlight. But if he takes away my flashlight when Phantom Freddy's here, then it's gonna be a problem. But Phantom Freddy only stuns you in Five Nights at Freddy's 3. So I don't die. Well, I mean, I don't die, but the thing is, I will like blink. I will not see for a second, cause it will go darker and then lighter and then darker and then lighter. So I won't add Balloon Boy up in here with Phantom Freddy. Okay. I could focus on Scrap Baby, but I have a low device. I'm playing on my phone. Thing is, I don't think I can see Scrap Baby. I could probably add Puppet in here, but I don't because I'm gonna be bugged by him. We could probably add both of them too. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We got this in the bag. We could probably add Golden Freddy, right? Yeah, I have to throw in the Freddy mask or my up on my monitor. So I could probably add him, right? But I gotta be quick. I might just put him on 10 or 5. Yeah, put him on 5. Who else? Who else, baby? Let's put him on a 10 then. I don't really want to put him. Well, I mean, Bonnie's is not gonna bother me, cause he's stuck in Pirate Cove with Foxy. What am I, British? I'm not British, I'm Puerto Rican. Get my facts right, EC. Yeah. So, I mean, I could put on Music Man on a 10. There we go. See, I'm being precise, guys. I'm being completely precise. L-Chip just puts on advertisements. So no, fuck. Whoa. So, I have seen some Easter eggs in Ultimate Custom Night. So, an Easter egg for Rockstar Freddy. If you have the heat on, I don't think you could pass out. That's not what I'm thinking you can do. But if you have the heat on, Rockstar Freddy can go back to his original state. So I guess we could probably put him on the 10. There we go. Who else? Guess that's it. We could probably do this. Let's go! Let's get the going, baby. Nope, turn that math off. Back off. Oh shit, oh shit. Fuck off. Hey, baby. Bonnie? Toy Bonnie? Fuck off. Fuck off. Come on, heat it up. Come on, heat it. Come on, come on, come on. Fuck off. Shitbags. Rockstar Freddy, stay there. Ass bag. Eh. Hey guys, wanna come and give me a hug? Cause I'm Freddy Fazbear. I love giving people hugs. Even with animatronics. Animatronics loves hugs. Even with kids. Lol. Shaboinkus. Nope! Turn off! Turn off! Turn off! Turn off! Oh, this is gonna be an asshole. This is gonna be a straight up asshole. That's what it is. How about no?
Please deposit.
How about no?
Please deposit.
Oh god, I'm boned. I'm boned. Heat up! Heat up!
Please deposit 5.
Oh shit, I'm boned.
Please deposit 5 coins. Please deposit 5 coins.
Please deposit, please deposit, please deposit, please deposit.
Please deposit 5 coins.
Well, as I discovered on mobile, Rockstar Freddy is a straight up ass to the hole. Rockstar Freddy is an ass bag. Rockstar Freddy sucks big pile of gigantic. So I guess Rockstar Freddy needs to be deleted. Him off the pack. Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck off, I don't need you now. Puh. Please deposit 5 coins. Please deposit 5 coins. Please deposit, please deposit, please deposit, please deposit. Please deposit 5 coins. Rockstar Freddy, why don't you go fuck yourself? Looking like a stale Snicker bar. Schmuck. Oh, wow, Phantom Freddy, you are off real quick. Oh, you're back already so soon, huh? Well, welcome back. Go fuck yourself. Yeah, huh? You back? You back? You back, huh? You back? Shut up, film guy. Don't need you at the moment. Hey, I see you, Bonnie. I see you there. Don't think I don't. Whoa. Who's there? Who's there? I gotta get this. Can't. Well, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I can't.
Hello?
I'm done.
Well, if you're hearing
I'll be right back when you see the jump scare. I gotta get something to drink.
I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know. Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come off stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though.
Well, now that you have seen the jump scare, this is what happens when I'm not being completely precise. Dude. I couldn't get the ventilation in time. That's a bunch of baloney. Yay! Can I add Golden Freddy up in here? I don't even know who actually jump scared me. If you guys know who jump scared me, let me know down in the comments below. Because after when I'm recording it, I'm actually going to upload it instantly. Like, literally, I'm going to upload it instantly. Let's get back then. We got this in the back. Well, that's with Toy Chica and Toy Bonnie. Well, actually, except for you, Toy Chica. Toy Chica, I know you're coming. Fuck off. Well, Toy Freddy, welcome to the gang. I was hoping he's gonna be here so soon. Stop closing the shit. Oh shit, the ventilation. Golden Freddy's gonna come up in here and be like, poof! Bah! Okay. Okay, just gotta focus on the ventilation. That's all we gotta do. And we gotta focus on Golden Freddy, because Golden Freddy's gonna be a straight up ass to the hole. Stop it! Asshole! Asshole! Who's that toy? Hey, how's it going? He's gonna be here so soon. He's gone? Fuck him.
Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long.
Shut up! Where is it? Oh, I don't know what the call is at. Oh, I'm boned. Shut up, Scott, you asshole!
Anyway, I bet your time. Things are... Hey, listen, I had an idea.
What's the idea, asshole?
If you happen to get caught and want to avoid getting stuffed into a frame,
Fuck around.
try playing dead.
Put the mask on.
You know, go limp. Then there's a chance
Oh, I'm boned. I can't get him.
costume instead. Then again, if they think you're an empty costume, they
Ah,
might try to
shit.
stuff a metal skeleton into you.
Well, fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Shut up, Scott! God, I'm focused on too much shit right now. I can't focus on anything! Shut the fuck up! Can focus on 5 things at once. Toy Chica, Toy Bonnie, Phantom Freddy, Golden Freddy, and y'all assholes trashing the gang. Fuck! I wasn't focusing on that. Toy Freddy. Fuck you, Toy Freddy! Fuck you. Fuck. Ah! Fuck. 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 Ah! I don't care, El Chip. Why? Woo! God fucking damn it. Your soul is trapped in your suit, you ass bag. Man, that is the reason why Funtime Freddy had his hand in your ass. You asshole. No, take that back. You fuck bag. God, every single thing I gotta deal with. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do this in another episode. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll join you on the next one of Ultimate Custom Night. I think I know who jump scared me that time. It was the ass bag. Bonnie 2.0. No, 1.0. Faceless asshole. Armless asshole. Voiceless asshole. Alright. I'll pick this one in another episode. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll join you on the next one. Ultimate Custom Night. I'm out. Peace! No. That was the cool. Peace! You didn't see it, guys. Peace.